And I'm sure they'll be back again for more very, very shortly as we're at our next battle.
Okay, next battle takes off and it's Dean Newcomb chasing down Stuart Griffin. Now Griffin obviously knocking out CC in the borrowed car. Newcomb right up on top of him there though through the start of the S's. Stevie jumps across there through the chicane. Newcomb pushes towards the centre of the track so he gets a better line.
Have a look at the ISC entry of Newcomb. He will lead them into the top of the S's. Certainly a nice aggressive entry there as they come towards Clubhouse. He'll throw it in, but I'll tell you what, Griffin is right there with him. Griffin doing a good job. Newcomb now through the chicane.
Yeah, Griffin certainly the rookie when it comes to the Griffin and Newcomb. We said that was going to be a tight battle, and it must have been. The judges couldn't split it. Newcomb pushing right up to the A pillar there on the start of the S's. Can he keep that sort of pressure? Dials it in. Griffin not letting up, not giving him that space to come in on him.